Okay, Paul here from EMD Automotive. We had to actually, this is the actual car that we were working on before, the coolant leak. Um, Everything's all assembled now, back on. But what we're going to do now is, because we clean the intake manifold valve, so not clean the valves on the actual port, intake ports, due to excessive carbon buildup on both sides, bank 1 and bank 2. So we finished the whole job, but we had to remove the spark plug and the coil out. We just put a rag there on top to stop. What we're doing now is actually cranking to actually cranking to get any debris that's inside the actual carbon inside on top of the pistons. We're gonna crank it so we can get it out. But at the same time, we already removed the fuel pump fuse, fuel pressure fuse on that side there, pump control fuse on top here. So we had to remove everything out, pretty much full strip down to get this part here. So now we're ready to crank. All right, crank it. One more time. Yep. All good, thank you. Turn it off. Hear how quick the crank goes. You don't hear the because we have removed the spark plug out. There's no compression to actually do all that. All right, so now we're gonna put the spark plugs back and assemble the coils and everything back on here, and then we're gonna actually finish off the service and we'll go from there. All right, thanks for watching and please subscribe.